Hello, my name is Dora. This is the Draw My Life. These are my parents, Gustavo and Flor, and this is me. I was born in Duitama in my house on 9th of November in the 96. I have 4 sisters and 1 brothers. My older sister Sandra, Nubia, Mauricio, Diana, and younger sister Paula. When I was born, they were happy. These are my niece Daniela and my nephew Santiago. I began study when I had 5 years old in the primary school in a village. I finished of study when I had 10 years old. Then I began study the high school and near village. I finished of the study I had 16 years old. My party of 15th birthday was in my house with my family and friends. I received much gifts. My good mother gave me a ring. This day is wonderful for me. Then I began study in the Sena Cedeagro in 2013. I finished in 2015 a food processing technologist. Then I started work in Investments El Dorado in January of 2016, who relate operator. I traveled in my vacation at Coveñas, Córdoba with my older sister, my uncle, and my niece. I knew this trip was wonderful for me. Me ever liked play soccer with my friends in my village, and I practiced minitejo some years. Is a great sport. Then I started studying in the university 2018. I degree a language with an emphasis on English. And at this moment I am course 4th semester in the university. Thank you.